and welcome to part 2 of our Word for Authors series. First of all, we're going to fix the margins. This is easy. Just select Layout from the upper menu, click Margins, and select Normal. It doesn't get simpler than that. Now we can fix our chapter headings. Press Ctrl F. This opens your navigation window where you can type the word chapter and press Enter. Doing this is so much easier than scrolling through the document, looking with our meager human eyeballs for the word chapter. This way, you won't miss a single one. Let's click Chapter 1. This will automatically bring us to where Chapter 1 is. Highlight your entire chapter heading and click Home on the upper menu bar. Then we're going to select Heading 1. This is going to be important and awesome, so don't skip this step. If you don't like the formatting, you can right-click Heading 1 and select Modify. Make all the changes you want. I'm putting mine to Times New Roman, size 16, black color. Then you want to click behind the C in Chapter 1 and press Ctrl Enter on your keyboard. This inserts a page break, which again improves the readability and organization of your document. You want to use page breaks instead of pressing Enter a bunch of times to get to a new page. Page breaks stay in place, even when you type above them, so you're saving yourself a lot of potential future headaches as far as formatting goes if you use the page break function. Then, in the Navigation tab, we can make sure chapter is still typed in and press Enter again. Select Chapter 2. Now we can apply our updated Heading 1 style to Chapter 2, click behind the C, and press Ctrl Enter to insert the page break. Rinse and repeat for the rest of your chapter headings. Now we get to do the magic. Go to your first page and click on the empty space. Select References on the upper bar menu and click Table of Contents. I'm going to select Automatic Table 1, and as you see, it builds the entire table for you. This is why we use the heading format for our chapters. Now if we move Chapter 3 to a new page, let's see what happens. It was on page 4 of our document. Now we can click the table and you'll see the Update Table button. If we select that and update the table, the page numbers automatically get changed for us. This is great because you don't have to worry about tracking the pages manually for your table of contents. You can just let Word do all of the work for you. Speaking of page numbers, they're very easy to add to your document. Simply go to Insert on the upper menu bar and select Page Number. My preference is for page numbers to be top right. In that case, we're going to select Top and plain number 3. Again, submission guidelines will vary, but for now, just pick what you enjoy. In the next video, we'll be talking about the built-in editing tools which allow you to make comments, track the history of your changes, and more. If this series is helping you master Word, or even just take advantage of a few features you missed, like the video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm always making content that I think will benefit the indie author community. You'll find my website and my Patreon in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next one.